do we then pull the eject after that, or how do we end that raise your hand call?
Yeah, great question. So we're not even going to pull the eject and say, on these calls, guys, we don't even send them an email to what we're doing or anything. It sounds counterintuitive, but we lose all of our good graces, all of our goodwill by saying, hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. And then the minute you go, can I send you an email with a link to what we're doing? It's like, oh, it turned into a sales call, right? This is different, right? So this is why I have those logos. Those are different. This is different than this is a great question, by the way. This is different than my prospecting calls where I'm delivering the hook. This is just simple. I am just calling, hey, Billy Fernandez, right? Hey, Billy, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. You and I are connected through the Wyoming Business Association. Yeah, hey, Matt, how's it? And they're always skeptical. Yeah, hey, Matt, how's it going? Going great, going great. Hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of sales coaching, sales process, I am literally live and breathe this stuff. I'm happy to help you, whether it's to bounce a question off of somebody, get a second opinion, whatever it is, deal me in. My mobile, 720-660-3202. And then on to the next call, right? And I would invite them to, and maybe, you bring up a good point, Sebastian, maybe just send them an email that just says Matt Easton, 720-660-3202 with your contact information. But nothing, no sales, no bullets, just contact information. Mobile, email, all that, so they have that to call you.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.